Jay. Tabitha, say hi.
Hi.
The birds are attacking us. There's a bunch of them.
Mom, I don't want this.
Take it way back there and throw it way back there. Up by those brown posts. Keep going. Keep going. Throw it. Up in the air.
Throw it.
Throw it up in the air.
Throw it up. Up. Now come on. They're going to get your sandwich. You keep putting it up in the air like that.
They're trying to get your sandwich.
You better hurry up.
Run, Jay, run!
Throw it up. Not again. You better hurry up and eat it.
You better hurry up, eat that sandwich, Jaelynn. The birds are gonna beat you up.